What a weekend. Water temperatures at Lake Michigan, even the mid and upper 60s this afternoon. Borderline swimmable. Depends on whether or not you have nerves of steel. But with warmer weather in the 8-day forecast, a lot of sunshine, that should help warm up those water temps even more. Tonight on Storm Track Live, we're dry here across West Michigan. Nearest rain, we've got some strong storms here. This now on the other side of the Missouri River for the most part, but pushing toward us, so it's worth tracking. We'll stop the loop here and take a peek at how long we think this is going to be before we start to see this line of strong storms moving into West Michigan. You put it in here almost 24 hours from now to the lakeshore, so that means sometime mid-late afternoon into the evening we have a chance of some strong storms. This is what the Storm Prediction Center is saying. You can see the severe weather outlook for tomorrow clipping a good chunk of southwest Michigan. Most everybody from Lansing southwestward is in this slight risk zone. Again, timing on this tomorrow afternoon, mid-afternoon, late afternoon into the evening, we have a chance of some strong with isolated severe storms as a possibility. But now, love this. 80 Grand Rapids, 78 Ionia. Sunshine everywhere. We've got 75 South Haven. A little cooler at these lakefront locations. This is Big Red, the lighthouse at Holland State Park, 69, but inland we're at 83. So there's warmer weather once you get away from the lake, and it's just a modest lake breeze that has set itself up. High temperatures this week on the top bar. Dew points, the measure of moisture in the atmosphere. We've got a savvy weather audience. A lot of people asking me, okay, Kyle, we know temps are going to be in the 80s. What about these dew points? Because when you get into the 60s, that's when it starts to get a little bit sticky and uncomfortable. We're certainly there here late Monday into Tuesday before that front comes through, cools us down, and notice the dew points drop here into Wednesday. I'm not sure if we're getting down to 41. This is a computer model forecast, but bottom line, once that front moves through that weather system, we will dry out a little bit, and then temperatures and dew points climb once again. I think we'll be close to hitting 60 degrees, if not into the 60s later this week. So bottom line, hot and sticky weather. We'll get a break from it midweek, but it comes back as we get closer to the weekend. Here's my 24-hour forecast. Tonight, we're clear. Temperatures toward midnight into the mid-60s. The computer wants to put a few clouds in here. I think before midnight, in fact, before 2 a.m., we stay mostly, if not totally clear. Clouds will start to build tomorrow, though. That's an advance of that system well off to our west, 500 miles off to our west that I track. That does not keep moving overnight. It does keep moving overnight, I should say. By 6 a.m., temperatures in the low 60s. Clouds really start to thicken up genuinely once we get into the midday, and it's into the afternoon and evening hours. You see these shower storms start to build, hitting the lakeshore, and then 131, eventually mid-Michigan. Here we are at 6 p.m., but bottom line, you can see those storms are on the way. 8-day forecast. Stormy day tomorrow, especially in the afternoon and evening. 77, cooler, less humid. Coming up on Tuesday, Wednesday, a lot of sunshine, 81, and then the humidity builds back again Thursday, Friday, Saturday, with a small chance of showers and storms here Friday, Saturday. And we have one computer model which looks like an outlier at this point with a small chance of showers for